Hey guys, it's Chris. Just checking this garden out. I started seeds, I don't know, about a week or so ago, maybe a little longer. And then since then we had 10-degree temperatures. So in these extreme times, we've got to do anything, experiment, try to figure out how to grow things. So anyway, I have this little mini greenhouse and I started seeds when it was like 50 degrees, and then we got like 3 big snowstorms in a row, and it got down to 10 degrees low at night, 20s in the day. So I kind of reinforced some of this stuff in the greenhouse, and I kind of went overboard because actually sprouted seeds in 10-degree temperatures. The ones that sprouted then have since burnt up and are gone, unfortunately. There's plenty of moisture, probably too much moisture because yeah, live and learn. Anyway, we still have some remainders right there. Gosh, I don't even remember what that is. What is that? Okay, that's mustard that's growing up there. And there are a few celery, Utah tall celery. And hopefully that grows good in Utah. But my onions sprouted and then they got too hot because I overdid it in the 10 degrees. Who would have known an unheated greenhouse? Anyway, then we got the broccoli and the cauliflower started over there, and we got sprouts over there. But they survived 10-degree temperatures. Poppies did sprout, and then they ended up getting too hot too. It's crazy. So yeah, I'm going to do an in-depth video on what I'm doing here. I have some compost going in the very bottom of this greenhouse. I don't know if you can see that. You can see that. That actually adds to the heat. And then over here, I started peppers that my good friend Shalil sent me in the mail. And I'm super excited because I forgot to get peppers with my seed order. And so I got some awesome varieties. Thank you, Shalil. And also some fermented chili sauce that he made. So, yeah, today I'm going to be working more in the rest of the garden, and planting some more seeds. Already replanted all these that did not make it. And it wasn't because of the cold, it was because I had it too hot. So anyway, I just wanted to let you know I'm planning on doing a video on how to heat an unheated greenhouse without electricity. Easy, old school. And also gonna do something on these little mini outdoor greenhouses, also known as cloches. Easy way to start things like peppers and tomatoes, and you don't have to wait till the temperature is right, and you don't have to start them indoors under heat lamps. So with the extreme temperatures, we really need to get creative, and I really love to have a discussion on that, and hopefully Oz will help me out with a live on that so we can all talk together. All right, Natural Prepper out. Talk to you soon. Bye.